Even with the ability to take excellent photos with our phones and instantly share them across the world, there's something magical about the old-school instant camera. With just a click of a button, you can capture a moment in a photo that you can see and touch almost immediately. Images captured by an instant camera aren't as pristine or perfect as those produced by modern digital cameras, but their soft images and imperfections are often a big part of the allure. Yet, not all instant cameras are the same, and some of them are better suited for different needs and budgets. In this guide, we explore some of the most popular instant cameras on the market suitable for various needs and preferences. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are in the description. Number 5. Polaroid Go Second Gen. The second-generation Polaroid Go stands out as the smallest and most affordable option in Polaroid's instant camera lineup. This tiny marvel easily fits into the palm of a hand, making it the most portable instant camera in our selection. Despite its diminutive size, the Polaroid Go doesn't compromise on the classic Polaroid experience. It produces charming retro-style photos, albeit in a smaller format than its larger siblings. The camera's compact nature makes it ideal for on-the-go photography, easily slipping into pockets or small bags. The second-gen model introduces USB-C support, enabling faster charging and eliminating the need for AA batteries, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. At $79.99, it's the most budget-friendly Polaroid camera available, with film costs just slightly higher than Fujifilm's Intax mini shots. While it doesn't offer as much creative control as the Now Plus, its portability and affordability make it an attractive option for casual photographers and Polaroid enthusiasts alike. The Polaroid Go is perfect for those who want to capture spontaneous moments with a touch of retro charm, without the bulk of larger instant cameras. Its unique combination of classic Polaroid aesthetics and modern portability makes it a standout choice in the instant camera market. Number 4. Kodak Mini Shot 3. The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro brings a playful twist to instant photography, emphasizing fun and creativity. This hybrid camera shines with its feature-rich companion app, making it perfect for parties and scrapbooking enthusiasts. The app allows users to add frames, stickers, filters, and even conceal blemishes, turning each shot into a customizable memento. With Snapchat-like filters, it can add playful elements like dog ears to photos, essentially creating a portable photo booth experience. The Mini Shot 3 Retro includes a small LCD screen for previewing shots before printing, and its Bluetooth connectivity enables easy sharing to social media. At around $150, it's more affordable than some competitors and often comes with a film pack. The camera uses 3x3-inch square prints, which are cheaper than some alternatives at about 33 cents per shot. While the photo quality may not match smartphone standards, with images often having a pink tint, the lower cost encourages creative experimentation. The Mini Shot 3 Retro doesn't store images internally, so printing decisions must be made immediately. Despite some limitations, it's an excellent choice for those prioritizing fun features and affordability in their instant camera experience. Number 3. Polaroid Now Plus Second Gen. The second-generation Polaroid Now Plus is a nostalgic dream come true, marrying classic instant photography charm with modern conveniences. Its design pays homage to the iconic Polaroid 600, complete with square I-type film prints that evoke a genuine vintage feel. The camera comes with 5 snap-on color lenses, allowing for creative experimentation right out of the box. Modern features abound, including USB-C charging and Bluetooth connectivity that pairs with a companion app. This app offers various creative modes such as remote shutter, self-timer, and manual controls for exposure and color settings. The Polaroid Now Plus produces images with a dreamy, old-school vibe, though they may lack the accuracy of more modern cameras. It struggles in low-light environments, often resulting in darker, less vivid photos. While this adds to the artistic appeal, it can lead to wasted film, which is costly given the price of I-type sheets. The camera's size and weight make it less portable than some competitors, and prints take up to 15 minutes to develop. Priced at $149.99, with film packs at $16.99 for 8 sheets, the Polaroid Now Plus is ideal for those valuing nostalgia and artistic expression over convenience and precision. Number 2. The Fujifilm Intax Mini Evo. The Fujifilm Intax Mini Evo represents the pinnacle of premium instant cameras, seamlessly blending vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. Its design, reminiscent of Fujifilm's high-end X100 line, features stylish dials and buttons that appeal to photography enthusiasts. The Mini Evo's standout feature is its full-color 3-inch LCD screen, allowing users to preview and select images before printing. This flexibility not only enhances creative control, but also helps save on film costs. The camera's companion app enables smartphone connectivity, further expanding its capabilities. The Mini Evo offers various creative options, including adjustable film brightness and multiple lens and filter combinations, catering to those who enjoy experimenting with their photography. Its USB-C charging port adds convenience, eliminating the need for battery replacements. While the $199 price tag might seem steep, the Mini Evo's versatility and potential for long-term savings justify the investment. The camera's compact size and vintage look make it a conversation starter, perfect for those who appreciate both style and substance in their gadgets. For users seeking a premium instant camera experience with maximum control and creative possibilities, the Fujifilm Intax Mini Evo is an excellent choice. Number 1. The Fujifilm Intax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Intax Mini 12 stands out as the best instant camera for most users, offering simplicity and quality in one package. This camera excels in ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and children. Its setup is straightforward. Just twist the lens to on or off and start shooting. The Mini 12 produces vivid, true-to-life photos, a feat not easily achieved by many instant cameras. While it struggles somewhat in low-light conditions, the built-in flash helps mitigate this issue. The camera features a new lens structure that simplifies zooming and includes a close-up mode with parallax correction for more accurate photo alignment. Additional features include a larger-than-average viewfinder and a shot counter, which helps users keep track of remaining film. Despite lacking advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity or a companion app for photo editing, the Intax Mini 12 delivers on its promise of a great traditional analog experience. It's available in various fun colors, adding to its appeal. For those seeking a no-fuss instant camera that reliably produces good quality shots quickly and easily, the Fujifilm Intax Mini 12 is the go-to choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.